teachers and my dear friends. I am Ilisha of grade 4 who would like to share a paragraph on Gallantry Award Winners. When someone makes supreme sacrifice for the nation, the person is honored with Gallantry Award. We pay our homage to the modern time Shesha, Captain Vikram Batra, for his valour, fearlessness and love for the nation. Born in 1974, Captain Batra was only 25 years old when he died in the Kargil War in 1999 fighting enemies. He was awarded the Paramveer Chakra, India's most prestigious award for gallantry. An icon of the Indian Army, pride of the nation, Captain Vikram Batra's bravery is unmatchable. His life teaches us to be bold, brave and ever ready to serve our nation. Jai Hind! Jai Bharat! Happy Republic Day! Thank you!